watching Artisan Life in Colour. Well done to you. This is a great channel for all things colourful. We think happiness. Colour brings us happiness. It's bright, it's vibrant, it exercises our imagination. And most of all, if you surround yourself in colour, you're always uplifted. So the motto of our website is to uplift, inspire, educate, and provide you with some DIY products that you can extend on and build a whole new product from our base products. Patches on denim are rock stars. They just come up so cool. Our patches are really textured, so they've got a really kind of rough surface, and that's due to the layering of fabric and also the yarns and things that we put into them, lace work on some. This is just a simple either glue on, sew on variety. So this one I've sewn on and I've just run a zigzag stitch around the edges. Because they are so thick and rigid, they're very easy to sew without having to have an iron-on patch underneath them. So when you're working, especially with denim being such a rigid fabric anyway, to put the patches on, it was a simple pin, and then just zipped around on top of the surface. If you can see, there's a little wobbly, wiggly kind of line stitch. And then once I'd done that, it was just a matter of running a zigzag stitch around the outside. And these have been through the wash twice. So they're holding up pretty good in terms of the edges and on the top surface. So this is on denim, as I say. There's another one, as I showed you earlier, there's also one at the top of my denim. And this is also the effect of the bleach on denim, which I think is just absolutely cool because you can just drizzle it. You can, use a spray or anything like that to get a desired result. You could even crimple the fabric, or even get like a bands and do like a tie-dye effect, and they would come out really cool too. But the patches just give that little bit of extra artistic factor if you're one of those types of people like me who like the real artistic type style clothing, because I think it looks cool. And then I just, of course, added a bit of frayage on one leg just to highlight and give a point of difference. But patches on denim are the rock star gods of the patch world. So we've got lots of those. We've got stars. These are a 6-point star. We've also got a 5-point star. We've got hearts. And of course, we've got our revolutionary range. We've got our innovative range as well, which are circular and slightly different. And we've got also our animal range, and also coming soon is our abstract range. So the abstract range is really cool. It's just a matter of sort of geometric shapes and things, and basically you can put those together in sort of mishmashed way, and it's going to give a really super cool abstract look to clothing or whatever your fashion item is that you're going to be decorating with patches. Patches are wild, super cool. You're gonna love them.
We're crazy. We're innovators. We're motivators. We're inspirators, if that's even a word. Come and see us at artisanlife.com.au.